Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 5.2, question number 19. Question number 19 is a CQ which is written in the board. And you must open your math books of page number 100. Page number 100, question number 90 will be solved in our class. My dear students, question number is written here. The question 19 is solved as your CW and it will be also your SW. My dear student, today is our lecture number 16 of annual term and today's SW number will be 15. So let us start to solve our class. So at first we read the question. Question number 19. Here a equal x minus 2, b equal x square plus twice x plus 4 and c equal x cube minus 8 are three algebraic expressions. That means the value of a, b and c is given. Okay. Now question number a, find out the sum of a by bc plus b by ca plus c by ab plus a minus b by ac. That means we need not the value of a, b, c to find out the sum of this expression. Okay, we put this expression, after that we solve, then we get the answer. Question number b, simplify 1 by a plus multiply x minus 2 divided by b plus 6s divided by c. Here a, b, c is present, which value is given in the stem. For these reasons, by using these values we solve this expression and finally we get the answer. Question number c, prove that 1 by a multiply x plus 2 divided by b divided by x plus 2 divided by c equal to 1. That means here also a, b and c is given. We use the value of a, b and c in the expression. After that we get the value of the left hand side, which is 1. And this one and this one are equal, so we can say that left hand side equal to right hand side. Proved. I hope you have understood how to solve this math. So let us start to solve this math. Question number a. Here the expression is a by bc plus b by ca plus c by ab plus a minus b by ac. My dear student, notice here summation of 4 fraction. Summation of 4 fraction. How can we add some fractions? At first we find out the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators of the 4 fractions are bc, ca, ab and ac. So at first we take LCM of this denominator. How can we take the common and uncommon term? Notice b. So here b also present. So we take b. Next c. So we take c also. A. So we take a also. So the LCM of bc, ca, ab and ac is a, b, c. I hope you have understood. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. If we divide ABC by BC, we get A, and this A is multiplied with this A, and if we multiply A with A, then we get A square. I hope you have understood. My dear student, next system, same procedure, we divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction, that means ABC divided by CA, and we get B, and B is multiplied with this B and it will be B square. Okay, done. Then third fraction, we divide this ABC by AB and we get C. C is multiplied with this C and it will be C square. I hope you have understood. And the last fraction is A minus B divided by AC. So we divide this ABC by AC and we get B, and this B is multiplied with this A minus B. So B into A minus B. I hope you have understood. My dear students, next line, A square plus B square plus C square. Notice if we multiply b with a, then we get plus ab. Plus minus minus, if we multiply b with b, then we get minus b square divided by abc. My dear student, notice here plus b square and minus b square. So it is cut. And left a square plus ab plus c square by abc, and it is the required value of the sum of these four fractions. I hope you have understood, and after completing you must write answer. Okay, my dear student, this is the solution of questions A. I hope you have understood. Now we shall solve question number B. For this reason I erase question number A. Here question number B is 1 by A multiply x minus 2 divided by B plus 6x divided by C. So in order to solve this expression, we need the value of A, B and C. So first of all, at first we write given that what is the value of A? The value of A is x minus 2. What is the value of B? The value of B is x square plus twice x plus 4. My dear student, notice a question is arise to our mind. It is in this case we apply middle term break method or not. Okay, notice x square 4. If we multiply these two number 4x square, then we break this and we break 2x plus 2x. No, 4x it will be. So we cannot break the middle term of this expression. So it remains unchanged. Number C. The value of C is x cube minus 8. Okay. Now we factorize this fraction. Notice x cube, that means x whole cube, minus 2 whole cube means 8. That means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here 2 2 2, 3 2s. So 2 cube. Here you notice the formula of a cube minus b cube applicable here. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? The formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b. That means x minus 2 x square minus x into 2 plus 2 square. I hope you have understood. Now x minus 2 x square, if we multiply x and 2, then we get minus twice x plus 4. Okay, sorry, it will be plus. My dear student, as this minus, this will be plus. That means x minus 2 x square plus x into 2 plus 2 square. That means x square x 2, that means twice x, 2 square, that means 4. I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, we write the expression. That means 1 by A multiply x minus 2 divided by B plus 6x divided by C. Here you notice 1 by A. 1 by, what is the value of A? The value of A is x minus 2. Now we put the value. Now x minus 2 is here and B remains unchanged. So we put the value of B in the expression. That means x square plus twice x plus 4. Okay. Next 6x divided by C. What is the value of C? X minus 2 and x square plus twice x plus 4. And now we write x minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4. My dear students, now notice this one and this one is cut and left 1 by x square plus twice x plus 4. Why cut? Because there is a multiplication sign between these two fractions. Then plus 6x divided by x minus 2 into x square plus twice x plus 4. I hope you have understood. Now we add this two expression. Here the two expression is LCM. At first we find out the LCM. What is the LCM? Here x square plus twice x plus 4 is common. So we take x square plus twice x plus 4 and x minus 2 is uncommon. So we take LCM as common and uncommon term. So uncommon term is x minus 2 and common term is x square plus twice x plus 4. My dear students, now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction and we get x minus 2, and this x minus 2 is multiplied with this 1 and it will be x minus 2. This plus sign is here. After that we divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction and we get 1, and this 1 is multiplied with this 6x and it will be 6x. Okay. Here you notice x 6x plus 6x x and it will be 7x and remain minus 2. My dear student, notice x minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4. These factors are come from which fraction? Notice x minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4. This is come from this main expression, that means x cube minus 8. So from this expression we can write x cube minus 8. Now write x cube minus 8. I hope you have understood, and this is the answer of question number B. My dear students, please notice x minus 2 x square plus 2x plus 4 equal x cube minus 8 what? We use x cube minus 8 and we factorize this expression, and finally we get x minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4. As we can write this from this, then we can write this from this. Okay. So that means x cube minus 8. I hope you have understood, and this is question number B. Now we shall solve question number C. My dear students, at first you read the questions. Here the question is, prove that 1 by A multiply x plus 2 by B divided by x plus 2 by C equal 1. That means we solve the left hand side only and we need to make 1. If 1 is the answer after completing solution, then the question is correct. That means we can write proved. Okay. So at first we solve left hand side. In order to solve left hand side, we need the value of A, B and C. So first of all, in order to prove C number, you must write given that. Given that. What is the value of A? The value of A is x minus 2. What is the value of B? The value of B is x square plus twice x plus 4. My dear students, we notice in question number B that the value of x square plus 2x plus 4 is not changed. So it will be remain unchanged. And C, value of C is x cube minus 8. Now x cube 2 cube. Here A cube minus B cube formula is applicable here. That means x minus 2 and x square minus plus twice x plus 4. Why plus? Because it's minus. Okay. So C is done. Now we shall solve question number C. Here left hand side. LHS means left hand side. Here left hand side is 1 by A multiply x plus 2 by B divided by 1 by x plus 2 by C. Now we put the value of A, B and C in the given expression. That means 1 by, what is the value of A? X minus 2. Now we put x minus 2 multiply x plus 2. What is the value of B? The value of B is x square plus twice x plus 4. X square plus twice x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. What is the value of C? X minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4. X minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4. I hope you have understood. My dear students, how can you do now? My dear students, notice this fraction is divided by this fraction. So What do you mean by division or fraction of another fraction? Division of one fraction by another fraction means the multiplication of first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. That means, so 1 by x minus 2 remains unchanged, then x plus 2 by x square plus twice x plus 4, and division, that means multiplication, and this fraction will be reversed. That means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. I hope you have understood. Now we cut. My dear student, notice here multiplication and multiplication sign. So x minus 2 cut, x plus 2 cut, x square plus twice x plus 4, x square plus twice x plus 4, this one is also cut, and left 1 by 1 equal to 1. I hope you have understood. And this is right hand side, R is S. So we can write, therefore L is S equal to R is S. Proved. My dear students, this is the solution of question number C, and this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. My dear students, please do your assign SW, that means question number 9, in your SW copy, and you know the importance of SW. Based on your SW diary marks, city marks and SBA marks will be given. So you must submit your SW in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM by your guardians or any other person, and your SW carries 2.5 marks. My dear students, today is finished. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.